Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Foodie Mom. I hope all of you are doing good. So friends, in today's video I'm making desi lamb curry, or you can say it as Bihari lamb curry. It's a very simple recipe and you don't need much of ingredients. So for this I have taken 1 kg of lamb chopped into pieces. For spices I have taken 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of jeera, that is cumin seed, 2 to 3 bay leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1.5 tablespoon of kasturi methi, that is fenugreek leaves, dried ones, 2 tablespoon of tomato paste. This is optional, or you can put 1 to 2 medium sized chopped tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of meat masala, or you can use chicken masala also, or you can use garam masala as per your wish. And this is 1 cup of bhuna masala. For the recipe you can just search on YouTube by writing bhuna masala foodie mom. The recipe is there up on the channel, and I'm using my own homemade bhuna masala for the recipe. This makes recipe cooking time much lesser, and it actually saves your time if you are a busy mom, or you are a busy bachelor, or you are working. So it actually saves your time. So you can make the bhuna masala and keep it in your fridge for up to 3 to 4 days to just save your time. So now let's start with our recipe. Here in a big cooker, pressure cooker, I have taken about 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, that is sarson ka tel. You can use any oil that you like. Since it's a desi curry, that's why I'm using mustard oil. It will give a very nice taste to this curry. Once the oil is heated, we'll put our lamb pieces into the cooker. Putting in the lamb pieces, we'll cook lamb in the cooker for about 4 to 5 minutes on high flame. Putting in the ginger garlic paste, after sauteing well, putting in the bhuna masala homemade, and we'll again mix it well and cook it for another 5 to 7 minutes before we pressure cook it. So now we'll add about 2 cups of boiled water into the lamb, and we'll mix well, and we'll pressure cook it till it gets nice, juicy and tender. So I'll give about 4 to 5 whistles. The cooking time depends on the quality of lamb. Once the pressure is released, we will serve it, and you can garnish with green chilies or coriander, and you can serve it with rice or parathas or roti. So I really hope that you will like my video. If you do not forget to subscribe my channel, leave a comment and hit like. See you next time. Till then, take care. Bye.